Ben's Machine Shop. I'm Benny. This is about a set of wooden drawers I bought. I put them below the star at the toolbox. I said I would make a tape when I was filling them, and this is the tape on them. I'm just finishing a cup of coffee. This is about those drawers. This is my star at the toolbox that I put on top of them, and this is the little trolley with the accessories on, the two drawers. These are the drawers in question. I have hung the dividers on this little cupboard below it, but these are the drawers, and we will look into them in detail. Now this is the first one. I have a lot of clocks in it, a lot of my usable clocks. This is the one with the magnet. This is my very first clock. I have another clock, and this is another clock. More clocks and surface scribers. This is a brand new one. It was of old stock, never used. More clocks. I have a lot of stuff in this one. A lot. I'll not take them all out, just one or two. There's a nice little top wrench. That's one of my first. I have this many years. Drill sleeves. Not 2 to 3. 1 to 2. Dead centers. Now these are all new stuff. I bought quite a lot of it, and some of them I got given to me. This is a not opened, it's a boring bar. Top wrench. There's drill sleeve, 1 to 2, 1 to 2. Dead center. Now these are files. I got a box of files. I have about 4 left on it. T-bars, T-wrenches, a go, no go. That is this tool that I don't know what's for. I had it shown on one of my tips. A plumb bob, spare scriber. Now this is of a tool. These are a handy tool. You never seem to have enough of them. Pen vices. I have 2 or 3 sets of them. 2 sets in this drawer. And this is another set. That's 3 sets of a regular set, center finder. These are more or less obsolete now, but it's nice to have a set. Pen vices. They're nicely oiled anyway. Another decent set. Now, metric. I have quite a few of these. This is a very small one. Indeed, very small. Metric. Another small one. There's a lock on it. This is Imperial. Right. They're small. I'll have to look for that. Oh, there's it there. These are tiny. That's most of what's in these drawers now. That is the set of drawers I promised I would make a tape on filling. I have got them quite a while now, and I want to thank you for watching. I hope some of you have found it of interest. I have my intermediate set of drawers for my toolbox, which I made a tape on installing in place, but I said I would make a tape on lining them, filling them, so I hope you look out for those. As I said, I hope some of you have found it of interest. Don't forget to look in on Mr. Pete 222 Tubal Cane or A-Bomb 79, which makes very good tapes. Adam on vintagemachinery.org, Keith Rocker. His odds and end tips are very good, very interesting. This is Ben's Machine Shop. I'm Benny Marner. Thank you for watching.